What's going on, y'all? It's Coco. Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do a quick video on this Kotto Fume Extractor. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I'm messing it up, I do apologize. But I picked this up off of Amazon. I can't remember exactly how much I paid. I know it was less than 50 bucks. I'll leave a link down in the description below. This version comes in yellow and black. I chose to go with black. It's a pretty straightforward machine. It comes with those instructions. It comes with two filters. One's already installed. Then you have this extra one right here. It has a handle on the top so you can move it around. And then there's an on and off switch on it. I'm actually very surprised with how it sounds. It's not too loud and it's not like overbearing. I could definitely work with this. And it does make a difference. So I'm going to go ahead and test it and show you guys what I was dealing with before I got this. So before I had the fume extractor, this is what I was dealing with. Fumes going everywhere. Like, I'm sucking all of that in. That is definitely not good for me. But no worries, because I've invested in this fume extractor. And you guys are going to see right here the difference between using the fume extractor and not using it. So the fume extractor is on. As soon as I go in here and put my soldering gun to it, you can see it immediately sucking that out. So I'm not breathing any of that in, and that's going to allow me to be able to continue to do what I do and not damage my lungs. So I really appreciate you guys for tuning in to this quick video. If you're looking for a fume extractor, I highly recommend this one. Again, it comes in yellow and black. You choose which one you want. I have a lot of things I got to get done, and I know y'all got things to get done too. So I'll catch y'all on the next video. Until next time, peace.